Japanese manufacturer of helmets from Japan, and Marc Marquez extend the contract for 2 years until the end of 2020. This is the umpteenth time cooperation between Marquez and Shoei since 2010. Kenichiro Ishita, president of Shoei Company Limited, says is proud to contribute to Marquez's racing performance. Shoei also continuously strives to contribute to the safety and comfort of the racers. It is an honor for us to announce an extension of our partnership with Marc. Our X-Spirit 3 racing model was developed with him. The technology and concept is not just for our racing helmet, but also for all Shoei premium helmet models, he said. In line with Ishita, Marquez, 6-time world champion, said he was happy to continue the partnership for 2 more years. Marquez says believes Shoei's quality for the MotoGP class race. I am proud to have worked with the world's top helmet brands for almost 10 years. I hope we can win more titles along with this excellent Shoei helmet, he concluded.